The second thing, which I thought was interesting, was that simplicity was about just over 25%. So basically, people are saying, I really need to understand how to use this, how to participate.
My behaviour changes depending on the hospitality occasion and whom I'm with. So it's really valuable to know what my customer buys, but it's not necessarily the number one indicator of what I'm going to do in the future. But what we can do is when you do send a clever message that's based on my behaviour, we have proven that we can get a 10-fold increase in the likelihood to visit.
The event was good. I had a lot of insights taken out of that, and I'm excited to see how we'll implement those into our stores. My main takeaway from today is to really make sure our staff are trained in asking the right questions to the customers so they're not inundated with what does the loyalty program look like, how do I redeem points. It should be under 10 seconds.